Hey guys, this is Jen. I'm going to show you real quick how to use PearDeck. There's way more than what I'm showing you, but this is the basics. First thing you need to do is go to Google Chrome Store and go ahead and get the PearDeck add-on to Google Slides. Once you do that, open up a blank slide presentation, click on add-ons, and PearDeck will show up. You go ahead and open the PearDeck. Over here to the right-hand side will be the pre-made templates that PearDeck has already created for you for beginning, during, and end of lesson. You can use it or not use it if you scroll down. There's 4 options right here where you can put text where they have to write a written response, multiple choice, number something, or a website into any slide with any information that you have. The draw and draggables I would not use. That is part of the paid portion of this program, and you cannot retrieve the data after the students close out, where you can retrieve the data for any 4 of these. So let's go ahead and let's say during a lesson I want to go ahead and I want to add this multiple choice of true or false slide. I go ahead and I just click it and it adds it in underneath the slide that I am currently on. I would also make sure that when you are trying to pick your slides here, that again, that draggable and the drawing slides, I would try to stay away from because you cannot retrieve that data afterwards. Let's say in my next slide, I wanted to put my own multiple choice question in there. So I would type my question up there. There were 4 responses. I hit multiple choice, and then I would go ahead and put in my answer. So A, B, C, and D. I hit update slide, and it makes it a multiple choice question for the students. Once you're done with all of this in your presentation, you go up to the top right hand corner and you hit present with PearDeck. And it will bring you to a new tab. You can have the students log in right then and there. They're going to go to joinpd.com and they're going to put in this code that they give you here. You can also send it to Google Classroom. I can't do that. I don't have a Google Classroom to send it to. You can also give a student a link. So I'm going to copy this link and you can put that on Google Classroom. However, that will still be at teacher pace. If you want to do it at student pace, like I had you do the previous one, you take that link, you open up a new tab, you paste it in there. It's going to say you're a student. It's no big deal. But you do need that to start your class. You need someone logged in. And then over here at the 3 bottom dots, you're going to click Turn on Student Pace. And then it gives you a link for the kids for homework. So this is what you would copy and paste to Google Classroom. This is also what you're going to copy and paste to put on our Google Classroom so that we can see the awesome creations that you're making. Then if you go to PearDeck.com, you log in over here, it'll ask you to log in. All of your PearDeck's presentations will show up here, and I'm going to show you real quick on how you can go ahead and get some data that your students have already done. So my hidden sessions are down here. These are ones that the other coaches and I put some information in so that you could see. This one's the live one that you guys are doing now. So if I go over here, Willits Middle School, 12 Days of Christmas, if I click this, hit Export Spreadsheet, it pulls up all of the students' informations and responses, and I don't want to upgrade right now, so it's creating my document. It takes a couple minutes, but then you would have all of the information that how the students answered. So maybe that wasn't the best one to show you. Let's go down here. Let's see if there's some more information in some of these. And not extending my trial. Again, redirecting. And again, it's just me. But you would get a list of all of your students' names and how they answered each slide. Hope this helps.